on mic, okay? All right, let me go over. I have been telling people to reach out to their congressman on house.gov and senator.gov, but today I want to talk about a taxpayer advocate, where you can get help. When you go to Taxpayer Advocate, let me make sure that I put the link on your screen. So if you want to go, I'm going to put it down here. I always had the RS number. But about the contacting, okay, when you go to the Taxpayer Advocate page, you guys, you should be able to see get help, resources for taxpayers, tax news, and our reports to Congress, and also can contact us. This what I am on right here. You can get help with paying taxes, general, interacting with IRS, refunds, international issues and errors, filing returns, small business credits, and 2021 child tax credit and advance payment option. So a lot of you need help definitely regarding your refunds, okay? So with that, you're going to scroll down. What cases can we help with? They tell you anything. We understand there are many taxpayers awaiting help from the IRS with their 2023 and prior tax returns. The Taxpayer Advocate Service is taking steps to help address this return inventory backlog by making a temporary change in our case acceptance criteria to better serve taxpayers and businesses. So you can frequently ask question updates. You make sure you can also come on here as well as IRS.gov, you guys, to get any information as well. And they'll appreciate your patience during this challenging tax season. This means it's a good many people are waiting on tax refund, while case advocates work diligently to address your tax concerns. So they are definitely working to help you guys. So if you don't choose to reach out to your congressman and you don't want to, you can reach out to your taxpayer advocate, especially if you have a tax offset, you guys, okay? And you feel like, well, you're experiencing, not feel like, let me get it straight, you're experiencing hardship and they reduce your refund or they took all of your refund. Don't be afraid to reach out to your taxpayer advocate regarding it. But know that when you reach out to them, make sure you have all the information to prove that hardship. You know, a lot of people run, I'm gonna contact the taxpayer advocate, and you think they're gonna help you, and you don't have all your paperwork and all the things to prove your hardship. Make sure you have all the information if you're going through hardship and you contact the taxpayer advocate, that you have your tax return copy that you file, that you have proof of hardship regarding your household and stuff like that. Make sure you have all of that if you're trying to get help regarding that. Just saying I'm in hardship is not going to do it for the taxpayer advocate. Everything needs to be done on paper. You guys, they organize regarding it. So make sure you gather everything before you do it if you need help. What category do I qualify for? Okay, I'm putting it on the screen. Financial hardship. Also, for those of you who've been telling me about the IRS systems issue, this is important. This is why I'm sharing it too. They have information regarding that, because a lot of you have been saying that if you filed in January and you were the one in the error, you said you was in error. That's why it's important to go to that taxpayer advocate at IRS.gov and contact them, and also read the information on that taxpayer advocate site regarding financial hardship. Financial hardship is also known as economic harm. Economic harm includes any damages or loss of finances in any capacity. Will you lose or not remain in your house, not be able to get food, pay your utilities, or keep your transportation to work? Will you incur significant costs such as fees for obtaining representation to help with relief? Will you suffer negative impacts such as loss of income, credit report damage, or any damage that cannot be put back the way they were prior? If you answer yes to any of these questions, the taxpayer advocate may be able to help you. Now, regarding this hardship, I'm scrolling back up, so I want you to see this. Make sure that you have all this information that they got on the screen that they saying that you yesing to, that you can prove all of these things regarding your utilities, not being able to get food, transportation to work, if you don't have a car, nobody to take you, anything. Make sure that you have proof of that, you guys, when you contact your taxpayer advocate. Okay, just saying it on the phone. I seen so many people on the channel. So I told them that I need help. Well, saying it out your mouth, you know, you gotta have proof these days with everything, you guys. Proof, paperwork. That's what they want to see. Okay, so make sure you do that. Regarding the IRS system issue, some of you who fall in that, who told me you're in January, with the system issue. An IRS system issue is also known as a systemic burden, which could include a delay must be more than 30 days after regular processing time to resolve a tax-related problem. These cases also occur when the IRS sends multiple responses, letters stating them to give them more time and take no other actions to resolve your issues. Okay, if the IRS was supposed to, excuse me, my phone ringing, I thought I had it off. Sorry about that, you guys. If the IRS was supposed to respond to you or resolve your account by a specific date and they have not, you may qualify for the assistance from them, the taxpayer advocate assistance. If an IRS system or procedure has failed to operate as intended, which a lot of you have told me, or failed to resolve your problem or dispute with the IRS, they will be able, the taxpayer advocate may be able to help you. If you answer yes to any of these questions, then they may be able to help you. Okay, so these things, that's why I wanted to share to you guys, to help you guys. Okay, when I share on the channel, this is to help you, and that's why I tell people to share out to other people who may be going through the same thing that you guys are going through. Share it out, like it, share it on social media pages, because there's a lot of people in these groups have not received their refunds, you guys. So that's why I tell you to share it out. Okay, and I'm explaining this taxpayer advocate, and I'm explaining to you what to do to help you guys. Because just going to people thinking that you can't give paper, you shouldn't give paperwork, that they just going to go by what you say, is not going to get it. Even with the congressman, when I share you guys house.gov and senator.gov, yes, you're going to have to complete a form on your state congressman's website. Once you put your name, your email, and your message, it's going to go to their office, okay? But when they respond back to you, know that, yeah, you're going to have to give them the information they're asking to speak on your behalf. How can they speak on your behalf when you don't give them any information regarding your social security number, your tax return, the notices that you receive? All of that, when you reach out to your congressman and they reach back out to you, yeah. So for y'all, those of you who are talking about, I'm not going to do that, how you expect get help if they don't even know all this scamming and fraud? You really think they're going to go by your mouth? They're going to go by the information that you give them. So if you feel that I don't want to reach out to my congressman, that's fine, because I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just sharing information on my channel that may help you, okay? So if you want to reach out to the taxpayer advocate, I definitely have the link down on the screen. You see it. That you can reach out or call the number, because it's a number also you can call them as well. And you want to say that you have a financial hardship, or you was in the batch that a lot of you have told me about the IRS system issue from January and you haven't got any help, this is it. But when you reach out, you need to have all your documents and proof that you're in a financial hardship. Any notices or anything. If you're in the IRS system issue, when you reach out to that taxpayer advocate, make sure you tell them the information the IRS agent gave you and still have your tax return, okay? Okay. Hi, Ernest. Okay, 60-day letter. Do you have any codes, Ernest? I can't remember everybody on my channel. I know some of you tell me on the videos, but I have so many people that, comment. I can't remember everything, so let me know. Hi, Shannon. Doc. I know you'll be busy, Shannon, okay? I know you'll watch the replay. Anytime you can't attend the live, you can always watch the replays, you guys. I get it. And you comment, and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can, okay? I still have 150, 810, and 76. So you still have the 810 at freeze code. Okay. I got you. But for any of you who haven't reached out to your congressman and you want to get assistance, I'm sharing on my channel to help you guys and to help other people as well understand what you need to do